Jesse. I'm back at you. This is the motor I was telling you about a while back. I got it up on the motor stand. I took the intake off, cleaned everything up, and got all the loose ends knocked down. And I'm gonna take my intake and valve covers to Clean Slate Restorations. My buddy Andrew, he's going to, hopefully he can knock this chrome plate off these aluminum valve covers. And so if he does all that, get all that fixed up, I'm gonna start putting it back together and get it painted and put it back together. So yeah, man, it's coming along, guys and gals.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna turn this video over and do like some awesome quick scenes and some music so you guys can see some of the work.
Yeah, get some time lapse going, what I've done, everything else about it and stuff. So,
yeah, man. Yeah. And that way we can keep posting, keep you guys updated on several projects that's going on right now.
I wish I had to paint, but I just didn't have time this week to get to the parts store, so get painted on the next go-round.
That's right. So we're going to keep working on it. So we're going to get on in this deal. And you guys enjoy the time lapse as Jesse works on this small block. And we'll keep on rocking here. Alrighty guys, we got an old Delphi Strip Lamp Pro LED headlamp to talk about today. They sent us a couple of these things to test out and see what we thought about them. And I tell y'all what, they work pretty handy. If you got a race car or a hot rod and you're in the dark and you need yourself a headlamp, this is a headlamp for you. So go use our discount code and a link below. Alright guys, so here it is up close and personal. This thing works pretty daggum good. I'm pretty happy with it. This is the box it comes in. They sent us 2 of these things for us to test out and stuff, and that is the charger for it as well. That's probably one of the top 2 things I like the most about it, is that it doesn't take batteries, that you just charge it in this charging port back here. You turn it on right there. You got your big light on. It dims it down. Then it'll turn the side light on, and you can dim it down, and then it's off. Very, very useful tool, and I just like how lightweight it is, and I think you guys will like it too.
Oh, what's happening? Have you seen all that jazz I was doing a little bit ago? Well, I got her done, and updates. I got my buddy Houston hooked me up with the water pump and some decent, nice, super nice pulleys. The carburetor there. I've got some things coming. And it's going to be radical. Old 55, it's going to tighten this 350 up. But anyways, if it don't work out, which I'm going to make it work out, but if there's a chance, that carburetor he's going to let me borrow, at least get the car moving. You know what I mean? I ain't going to go full send with that carburetor. I just want the car moving so I can get it out of the way and stuff like that. And so, yeah, that's what that is. And updates on the Chevelle. I talked to my body man. We got together on some things. I got the hood done. I got the hair panel done. I ain't bought my grill yet. And we got to talking some more. I'm going to send it back to him in about 3 more weeks. I'm going to send it to his body shop, and we're going to get the door jambs painted and the inside painted, all silver and everything, where I can put the windows back in it. And he told me, I told him, I was like, man, can you paint the car with the windows? Me and Houston was like, what do? We don't want to pull the windows back out, so we got to paint it. And I asked Billy, I said, can you paint it with the windows in it. He's like, Lord, yeah, I can paint the windows in the car, paint the car when the windows are in it and stuff. So that was a big weight off the shoulders. So now we can enjoy the car this summer.
Right.
Get the windows in it, get the door jambs done, inside the car done. It's going to be silver again and all that. And we can get the car out, cruise the streets, go to car shows, have a good time.
Right, because our main goal is we want to get to our Hoop the King shows and stuff this summer. And, you know, it costs a lot of money to get the whole car painted, but at least Jesse can get the jams done, get the car sealed up, and possibly either just seal the body off some way or another, whether it be with clear coat or something, so it's just not a primer.
Yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah,
so it's just not a primer only car, and that way he can drive it in the rain and he can enjoy it and stuff if we do get caught out.
And you know, you guys know how that primer goes. Once it gets out there in the weather and stuff, that water just soaks up in that primer and it goes straight to the metal. And I don't, my gosh, them quarters that's in that car are probably about $4,500 worth of quarters. They're real General Motor quarters, and I do not want them things to rust.
Right. So again, guys, you know, we want to do this with this motor and stuff here in the meantime. Jesse had a bunch of parts laying around. I had some parts laying around that we can be piecing this thing together for his 55.
Yeah, to the new guys that's in the channel, got a 55 Chevrolet. The OGs already know. But yeah, this is a heartbeat for my 55 4-door 210 Chevrolet. So.
And you guys be sure and go back and watch those videos there on the 55 playlist. And we definitely appreciate that. But guys, we're going to jump on out of here. We just want to give you all an update on the motor and stuff and keep bringing content to you guys. Me and Jesse cannot thank y'all enough for all the support.
Guys.
We just hit 3,000 subscribers.
Awesome.
And man, that's super cool. But anyways, guys, we're going to get on out here, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to go over to KilmerSports.com, where we've got all kinds of merch over there and all kinds of high-performance products as well. And definitely a big shout-out to our sponsors and partners. Till next time, you guys have a good one.